So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to run R in VS Code. So guys, if you want to run R in the VS Code, so guys, it is very easy. So basically the R is in a R programming language that helps to create some service-based code, analytics, iterating, and R terminal. If you want all of these things in your VS Code, so you simply go for the extensions. In the extensions, guys, here you go for search. In the search section here, you simply search R. Now you little increase the size because the R have lot of sections, so you find little difficulties. But when you move downward, so guys, there is an a R language extension is available. Okay, now guys, here you see this is for the R extension for Visual Studio Code, guys, around 3.3 million downloads with 5 rating. So when you click it, now you check that your R is starting up. Simply click the option of install. Okay, so this is the simple way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.